Hey guys, Matt here, out flying the Mustang. Gonna do a little differently today. They're playing soccer over there, so they usually don't use the field together. So, see what we can do here. Clip on my radio and hope I don't hit something. Gosh, so one thing with objects, they like to draw to the airplane. You gotta kind of get around them like that, and it can be kind of a pain. I better get this redialed in. It's got a little bit too much aileron. Wow, that's really touchy. Okay. Come on. Yeah, I guess I should have dialed this in a lot more before I flew. There we go. I always want them to fly by themselves. Makes it a lot funner. I gotta figure out where I want to land. This is thick grass right here, so see if I can find some thinner stuff. I think I'll put it down right somewhere over here in this thin stuff coming in. It's really bumpy, but I'd rather it be bumpy and not tip over. Boy, that sun is bright. I didn't put up the landing gear because, I don't know, just make it a simple flight. Actually, you could probably put up the landing gear and just belly flop it on this stuff. Find a thinner portion of grass, I suppose. Ooh, that's cutting it close, but at least I kept it from tipping over. Wow. See, I was able to get it. That's actually just about perfect because of the I can't even begin to show you how thick this grass is. It's like 3 times thicker than that grass over there is. So it's always good to see. That was just perfect. Wow, look at that post I just missed right here. It's hard and relatively bumpy, but at least you can see it's more clear. And I was able to set it right in there, so that's good. And flaps work great. Look how slow those are. They're cool. I love those slow servos. Two stages, 3 stage actually. Wow. Well, no thanks, Post. I just missed you. Anyway, good flight. It was fun. You know, any flight without me running into something or you know, getting PO'd about something is good. It's supposed to be on the cord. Alright. She's a flyer. You know, I like it. Bloody. Alright, we'll catch you later.